Ports are vital hubs of global trade, but the traditional practice of running ship engines while docked contributes significantly to air pollution and noise. Introducing alternative marine power, also known as cold ironing or shoreside electricity. This innovative solution lets ships connect directly to the port's electrical grid, reducing noise and cutting emissions by allowing onboard diesel generators to shut down. To make this possible, ports need highly specialized cables designed to handle the demands of shore power connections. Meet Tratos Flex AMP, a cutting-edge shore power cable designed to deliver high-voltage electrical supply from shore to ship. Tratos cable can be stored and used on equipment fixed to the quay or stored and used in a container carried by the ship. Tratos' flexibility in design and manufacture means that we can produce Tratos Flex AMP cable with different combinations of cores and materials. These cables are available in sizes 95 square millimeters, 120 square millimeters, and 185 square millimeters, with options for 4 or 6 collectively screened 2.5 square millimeter control cores. Additionally, fiber optic units can be integrated upon request, enhancing data communication capabilities. The unique Tratos Flex AMP cable design produces a cable with exceptional strength and flexibility under severe operating conditions, providing a reliable electrical feed and communication link to the vessel to which it is connected. Tratos AMP cables have already been installed in several ports and terminals worldwide across the most demanding applications for prestigious global operators, proving their quality, performance, and durability.